How to cash out Solana from Binance wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to cash out Solana from Binance wallet. So in order to cash out Solana from Binance wallet, there's no such direct way, or you'll not be able to cash out Solana from Binance wallet. However, the alternative method is that you can send it to either one of these external wallet. So you can, for the external wallet, you could go ahead and use Binance Trust Wallet, whichever is convenient for you. So now let's go ahead and copy the wallet address. So go ahead and open up your Binance application. When you're logged into your Binance account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So here you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Solana. Make sure that you've already added. When you actually find Solana, then press that, and next thing you need to go ahead and click on deposit. So what you can do is, so while you're on the home page, what you can do is go to the wallet tab from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen and then click on deposit. So here you need to go ahead and select buy with USD or P2P trading. So click on deposit crypto. So I'm gonna go ahead and deposit Solana. So type in SOL and select that. Now you need to go ahead and select whether you want to go with the BNB Smart Chain or Solana. So I'm going to go with the BNB Smart Chain. Now you could go ahead and copy the wallet address and head back to your Phantom wallet once again, and here you need to go ahead and press the send button, select Solana, paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied, and with that you'll have successfully cashed out Solana from Phantom wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.